So you want to be free, to live your life the way you wanna be. Will you give if we cry? Will we live or will we die? Solitary brother, is there still a part of you that wants to leave? Solitary sister, is there still a part of you that wants to give? Solitary brother, is there still a part of you that wants to leave? Solitary sister, is there still a part of you that wants to give? Solitary brother, solitary sister, solitary brother, solitary brother, solitary sister, solitary brother. There's no other love, there is no other love, no other love like home. There's no other love, there is no other love, no other love like home. On the microphone, InHouse DJs with Jeff and Dimitri. Thanks for tuning in tonight so much. We love you. We love this music. And we'll see you next time. And Hair Tech Alameda and Spa Tech Alameda is my business, and we sponsor this show. Go!
Like us on Facebook and And Instagram. We need more followers. We only have 16,000.
It's Facebook, only 16,000. Okay, Facebook/InHouse Radio, and it's also hairtechalameda.com, and it's also Jeff Go.
Coca-Cola.com. Instagram is inhouse.radio. And yeah, we have a lot of followers on Instagram, but we want to make it double.
We want
by
more.
Next 3-4 months.
Can you check out
Thank you
our
all your followers out there, and all your supporters. I look at you as family. Thank you so much. And also our local promoters, Sebastian, Tony Catullus, Martel, Nobile.
Oh wow.
The guys
Denise is sick.
Select SF.
Denise, we love.
Denise, hey.
We said that. Yeah, Musal is sick. Yeah. And I do too. So I just wanted to sign out for Katie Kaboom on KPR1.com. See you next time. And keep rocking the house, Jeff and Dima.
Thank you, Katie.
Right.
Hey, what's going on? It's Eddie Santana, and you're listening to InHouse Radio with Jeff and Dimitri on KPR1.com.
Welcome to InHouse with Jeff and Dimitri.
InHouse Radio here on KPR1.com. This is Jeff on the turntables with Dimitri on the keyboards. With every InHouse show, we introduce to you DJs, producers, and promoters from all around the world. Enjoy the show.
Somebody once